Quickly, let me show you how to set up a community search using the Polygon search tool for IDX Broker. Basically, this is your logon page. You'll go over here to Preferences, then Saved Links, Create, and then here on the Pick a Search page, you'll use Polygon standard results. And then you want to pick an area. So we have an imaginary area that we're using just to test things, which has been this one. So if I say this is a subdivision, then I'll just, maybe I want to get this area right here as a subdivision. You can zoom in a little bit more if you need and say, oh, okay, let's get it right. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Make sure you get it set to where you want it to be before you click on that shape, right? But then I'll just say, okay, we want to get this area here. And we'll just pretend like this is all one subdivision. And then, of course, we can drag it across the water because there's nothing there. And you got to hit that first point. So that saves it. Okay, and then we can put any tools on here. The thing about the bedrooms is it's 2+ or 3+ or 4+. And we can adjust price information here that would be appropriate. Then we'll do a next step. So this is where it's important. So what we're doing is we're doing something like this, and I'm just going to call this Winston Park East test, even though I know that's probably not even a subdivision. And what I would probably do is do Winston Park East, and then I would do Coconut Grove. I can't remember what the city is right there, but I would do the subdivision name and then the city name after it. And then we can do that. We can put in some meta tag description. I don't think I want to put. Some sort of a description there. We may want to put some sort of a description there that specifies a little bit about what this link specifically is. You don't have to do that. And then here we can just leave that. Now, what I would do is basically generally push save and create another link. In this case, we're going to push save and manage links. So then when I go back to, this is the one that we just created, and I'll hit that preview link. And you can see this is the URL that we're getting for it. This domain name can change as we set up the SEO settings on here. But it'll have a name like this. Shows the map. I don't know why that's a little bit out of whack there, but it shows the map area. And then the properties, and of course this all still needs to be formatted and set up. But this is, you can see that what this does is it's showing it across different MLSs, and so that's the search that we're going to need to use for these neighborhoods.